Hey, what's going on, y'all? My name is Arthur. Welcome to Arthur Hall. Today, we're going to be working on my son's 2018 Silverado. And what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to see if we can get him to step into this truck kind of proper lot. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is his 2018 Silverado, like I just said. And as you can see, the steps on them are starting to look a little dated, okay? They're turning gray. The black is being worn off. To be honest with you, the pads themselves actually look pretty good. And the only thing I didn't like about these steps, I thought they were a little light. I wish they were a little heavier, a little beefier. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pull these off. I got a box over here with a new set of steps, and we're gonna see if we can update the aesthetics of this truck and give it a different look and improve on these steps here. Also, we're gonna go ahead and open up this box here. I bought this with my own money, but this is the Barricade step bumper. It has some protection, give you an awesome step into this crew cab pickup truck. And we're gonna open this up. I bought this with my own money, got it from American Truck. So we're gonna use the old timer to pop these straps here and start opening it up, you know? Okay. Feel like there's some tape, maybe? No, just some lift up. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and slide that way. Okay. All right, so what we got here is we got the two steps here, one in green, one in clear. So we're gonna grab this box right here. I'm pretty sure this is probably some of the hardware there. Yep. And I think the steps are just like they are right there. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and open up the box here. Be really gentle and careful. Put that to the side, put the old timer up. Okay, looks like this might be the installation instruction in some kind of book. Put that to the side. So we got, okay. So what I'm noticing, you all, is that items are in green and there's some items that are in clear, okay? So I will assume, you know what they say about assuming, how you spell it, that the green ones could quite possibly go with one step and the clear goes with the other step. And I don't know what it is about boxes, you all, but man, why do we have a brown recluse right there? I mean, I'm gonna zoom in on that, and then I'm gonna not kill him on camera, but edit that out, but he got to go. Holy smokes, bro. Okay, so like I said, we got green items in a bag. So that might correspond with the actual steps themselves, just the box. And we'll put that to the side. And then we got a bag of hardware. We got some clear brackets here. We got a screw here, and then this item here. So what we're gonna do is, like most people who get stuff like me, throw away those instructions, right? No. I have looked at the video, the installation, but it varies from vehicle to vehicle. So let's get into it. Okay, as you all can see here, we got our brackets here. This is the driver's side. You can see the D there, and that's these four here on my left. And then in the middle here, you have these three that are pretty much identical. Just switch over because it's going to the passenger side. And then we have the fourth bracket here. We got the hardware there as well. So we're going to read through these instructions and then start mounting the step. But let me go ahead and look at the steps now. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand, but let's see if we can take this bubble wrapping off without nicking the step. It should be a little more durable than what this knife would do to it, but let's rotate this out. Oh, wow. Look at that. Y'all, that's a better upgrade than what I got with that eBay special on that truck. Look at that. Per the directions, you need a 16, 13 millimeter socket and a 17 millimeter wrench, okay? This is a ratchet and wrench, and I also added an extension here just in case. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start with taking loose this area here. So these didn't do too bad. And as you all can see here, all I have to do now is take those arms off, replace them with the new arms for the new drop step bars, and install the step. So as y'all can see here, this is a better up close shot of that step off the driver's side. We got it removed. We got the brackets right there, and it's just faded. It's definitely lighter than what we're replacing it with. So let's go ahead and start installing the other step. So up under here, you got this tab here and that tab there. So what you want to do, you want to grab this capture nut here. And essentially, y'all, we putting these pretty much right back where the other ones were. We're gonna put a pinch capture nut here. So what I want to show you all here, the front bracket on the passenger side is the 2-piece bracket. It has a single piece here, bracket there, and then a single bracket there connected by this stud that's got a lever on it that will lock down once you tighten it up. So that's the only one that's different than the other three. The other issues I had was I had to trade out one of the driver's side brackets for the passenger side bracket because it didn't work. It didn't line up. But once I did that, then everything lined up, every bracket lined up. So just keep that in mind. And there you have it, y'all. The steps are installed and we snatched it from 2018 to 2025 with a little bit of ruggedness and a little more attitude for this truck, man. And it looks good. It looks good. We got the steps on, and what I want to say is if you got about an hour, some hand tools, you can get this done on your truck. It's pretty easy. It's not that difficult to get done. The quality of the products is pretty good. American Trucks didn't sponsor me. I bought this with my own money. I did my own research on it. We'll see how long it lasts and what 6 months or a year look like with those steps on this truck. So with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time on Art the Hall.